That cute little bird. He landed right beside us up here on Red Rocks. Look at that cute bird. He's 2 feet. Oh, but you don't come closer. Well, hi. We didn't bring any snacks. We didn't bring any food. What do you think of the bird? Yeah. Hi. Right up here with us. He's either been fed a lot by people, or he's just wondering, what are you humans doing up here?
Don't speak.
Here's a cute little chirp. He flew right up here. Later. He's like, well, they didn't have any food. I'm going to go find some food.
Oh.
That was cool, huh? That was so cool. We just got exhausted climbing way up here.
I
And
wish
a little
we
bird
could
flew in.
push a little bit more.
Yeah, that's too dangerous without our gear. Yeah.
Oh, man.